Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect PayPal checkout to Shopify for faster conversions, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify account. In the Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Settings section. Click on Payments to access payment provider options. Scroll down to the Alternative Payment Methods section. Click on PayPal under the list of supported payment providers. You will see an option that says Activate PayPal Express Checkout. Click on that option to proceed. A new window will prompt you to log into your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal email and password, then click Login. Review the permissions and click Agree and Continue. Return to your Shopify dashboard once the connection is established. Ensure PayPal Express Checkout is enabled, which will appear as a payment option. You can customize checkout settings by clicking Manage next to PayPal Express. Adjust your settings as needed, such as enabling or disabling PayPal credit. Once all settings are configured, click Save at the top right corner. Now, test the payment option by creating a test order. Navigate to your online store and add a product to your cart. Proceed to checkout and confirm that PayPal is listed as a payment option. Complete the order using PayPal to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Once confirmed, you can start accepting PayPal payments on your Shopify store. This integration will help streamline the checkout process for customers. With PayPal connected to Shopify, you'll likely see faster conversions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.